Hello everyone, this is Jahid Hassan, and as a part of my practice today I am in front of camera. I would like to talk about one important question which is repeatedly asked by the IELTS interviewer, and the question is which one big city you would like to visit. And in this case my answer is obviously Rajshahi city. It's one of the divisional city of our Bangladesh, and by several news and several articles I learned that Rajshahi is selected as the cleanest city of our Bangladesh. So I want to visit them, and by several YouTube videos and several Facebook reels and some TikTok videos I also know about them, the lighting system in Rajshahi. The city authority they try to make some lighting arrangement in the roads. So I want to experience the night view of Rajshahi city. So this is the first thing. And then second thing is Rajshahi sometimes considered as the educational hub of our Bangladesh. You can find there different types of renowned educational institutions. They are in the school level, college level and university level also. In Rajshahi you can find the Rajshahi University first of all, and then second RUET, which is called Rajshahi University of Engineering Technology, and the third one is Rajshahi Medical College. So all of the things are available there. I want to, as I am a university student, so I have a great attraction to watch to visit different types of university campus. So I think in future if I get enough opportunity to go the Rajshahi, at that time first of all I will try to visit Rajshahi University. And the area of Rajshahi University is actually very big, and there are several types of sculptures, several types of monuments are available in this area, and the natural environment is extraordinary. So I would like to visit this one place. And obviously I have already said that every university campus they have some unique features. So I also try to visit the Rajshahi University of Engineering Technology, RUET, and obviously Rajshahi Medical College. And then I want to visit some tourist spots which are available in Rajshahi. And if anyone asks me that by which way you want to go there, then my answer will be by train. I don't like visiting here and there by bus or by private car or such type of things. Rather than I would like to visit different type of place by using rail. I like train travel, train journey, and that's why I will try to go there. And another one thing is you know that if you try to visit any place by yourself, at that time it's maybe you may feel some melancholy. So I will try to visit there with some of my friends. And in Rajshahi, I have some friends, like I am from pharmacy department in Rajshahi University. I have some close juniors, and I have some friends also who are my batchmates. So I will try to go there and try to enjoy the weather and try to enjoy different types of tourist spots and different types of natural beauty. So that's all about today's video. I think you can understand what I want to say, and if I make any mistakes, then you would forgive me. And that's all about today's video. I appreciate that you are watching my videos, and I wish you a best of luck.